Welcome back to English Fable Hub, where we weave stories that teach you English while sharing timeless lessons. Today, we have a heartwarming story to share with you, a story that reminds us of the simple yet magical power of a smile. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey to the village of smiles, where happiness knows no bounds.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there was a girl named Lily. Lily had a gift, but it wasn't something you could hold in your hands or put in a fancy box. Her gift was a smile that could brighten the darkest days. Lily's village was a peaceful place, but like any other, it had its ups and downs. One day, a big storm rolled in, and the villagers felt downhearted. The rain poured, and the wind howled, making everyone feel a bit gloomy. But Lily wasn't discouraged. She put on her rain boots and a colorful raincoat, and she went outside. She danced in the rain, and when she passed other villagers, she smiled at them. Her smile was like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. As she smiled at people, something magical happened. They smiled back. It was as if her smile had the power to chase away the storm clouds from their hearts. People started to feel better, and they even began to help each other with chores, making the best of the rainy day. Word spread about Lily's magical smile, and soon, people from neighboring villages came to see her. They, too, felt the warmth of her smile and carried it back to their homes. Lily's village became known as the Village of Smiles, and people visited from far and wide to experience the happiness that radiated from the simple act of smiling. The village flourished as people learned the power of a warm, friendly grin. Lily's message was clear. Even in tough times, a smile could make a world of difference. It was a reminder that happiness could be found within ourselves and shared with others, making life a little brighter for everyone. And so, the Village of Smiles continued to thrive, reminding people that the most magical things in life are often the simplest, like a smile that can light up the world.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.